We stand tall, heads always high. We make you believe you are touching the sky. We give you air as the reason you are alive. Don't strike us down, let us survive. The wood of your pencil, medicines for when you are ill. A carpenter's wooden chair, a breath of fresh air. We are man's best friend. So, think before you put our life to an end. We stretch out our green arms in the sun for yet another day of leafy fun. We never go hungry, not in May or in March, because we can always make ourselves some yummy stuff. Hi friends, my name is Debadrita, students of class 3, Asian Education Center in Motto. This is my house in Uttarpara. My house is full of greenery and fresh oxygen. Let's go downstairs to visit our garden. Let's go. Hi, I am entering in my garden, my green garden. Look friends, this is the tree. It is a aromatic ornamental tree. This tree produces cedar oil, which is insecticides. This is rose. Rose is the queen of flowers. This plant is Mexican tuberose, popularly known as Rajnigandha. This means fragrance of night. Look, this is a cactus. Its stems are green. They have no leaves at all. Their leaves transfer into thorns, which protect them from birds and animals. These stems make food from the sun. This plant name originates from Sanskrit name Karavira. The popular name of this plant is Korobi. It is a large erect evergreen. It has a great medicinal use. This plant is called Tulsi, known as holy basil. It is an aromatic medicinal plant. Popularly known as white orchid tree. Look, this plant's leaves are heart-shaped. This plant in Bengal called kanchan. It is called Noyantara. It is 2 feet long. It's a medicinal plant. It has 5 petals flower. These plants are called climbers. Their stems are very delicate. They need to climb up. They climb to the support with the help of tendrils. The name of this plant in Bengal is puinshak. This is also a climber plant. This tree is called neem. This tree has great medicinal value. The leaves of these plants are very much useful to us. This tree with a big trunk is called mahogany tree. The wood of this tree is costly to us. This plant is known as Brahmi. It is perennial creeping medicinal herb. This plant is popularly known as thankuni. It is small herbaceous annual medicinal plant. This plant is known as alamanda, popularly known as yellow bell. It is woody evergreen shrub. This plant is known as Areca palm. This tree grows in tropical zone. It is commonly known as betel nut as it is often chewed wrapped in betel leaves. Datura are herbaceous leafy annual plants. This is also a medicinal plant. Jackfruit is derived from the Portuguese jaca. It is popularly known as kathal. Wood of this tree is used for production of musical instruments. Oh, it's a very hot and sunny day. I'm sweating, but look at them. They are enjoying themselves because they prepare much food with the help of sun. Hi friends, look where I am. This is my favorite fruit tree. I like this fruit very much. Mango. Mango is a king of fruits. I love this fruit very much. You know friends, our garden is full of birds, butterflies and bees. Plants gives us oxygen which keeps us healthy. This plant is called hibiscus. Its height is about 3 meters long. Do you know this plant's birthplace is in China? This is about 20-meter height shrubs named guava. It's have a full vitamin C enriched food. The leaves are used as medicine. This plant is papaya. It was first cultivated in Mexico. 5 to 10 meters long, spirally arranged leaves occurs. Papaya is a medicinal plant. This is Rangoon creeper. Its Bengali name is Madhavi Lata. Its flower became white to red. It is a climber plant. This plant is called Ashoka. It has sorrowless flowers. Popular name is Sharaka Ashoka. This plant is popularly known as Kathgolab. It has sharp leaves. This plant is called yellow oleander or bestel tree. Bengali name is kolke. The flower is yellow in color. This plant is called coconut. It is a very tall tree. This plant is aram plant. The leaf of this plant is deep green, heart-like. Vegetation is thick. It is known as elephant hair. Leaf surface possesses cuticle. Patharkuchi is a tropical succulent medicinal plant. It is known as Kalancho pinnata. This plant is called banyan. Friends, this plant originates from Bengal. Leaves are leather in large. Buddha meditating under this tree in Bodh Gaya. Bye friends, I hope that you have enjoyed my presentation a lot. Bye, see you.
If you want to know how a plant grows, it takes water, air and sunlight and makes cellulose. Every plant can do this fundamental process, and we can call this photosynthesis. Unlike me and you, plants need CO2, and they make oxygen that stops us turning blue. Every plant can do this fundamental process, and we can call this photosynthesis. It's a miracle how all the chlorophyll captures sunlight in the leaves of the plants and the trees. A plant of any size can do it if it tries, but we're not green so we can't photosynthesize. Every plant can do this fundamental process, and we can call this photosynthesis. It's a